Hey there YouTube, Mayank Tag here with another interesting video. So in this video, we will be talking about GitHub Student Developer Pack. So what actually it is and how you can get this and what are the benefits of this one, like what services you are going to get for free after this pack. So in this video, we will be discussing all and how you can apply. So we will be looking that as well. So before starting this video, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like this video as well. So now let's get started. Okay, so you can go to the URL like education.github.com, or you can simply Google search, and you can find the link in description as well. So now before starting, first we are going to look at the offers, what offers we are going to get. Then we will get into like how to apply. So the benefits, the first and foremost benefit that we are going to get is Canva Premium. You are going to get Canva Premium for 12 months for free. And then you can get a domain for Namecheap. Then you are going to get the Azure access as well with $100 credit. DigitalOcean, there is another portal like name.com, so one domain from that. JetBrains IDs, including IntelliJ IDEA, PyCharm, and like many more IDs from JetBrains. You are going to get those as well for free. And other than that, like there are many resources you are going to get, including Heroku, MongoDB, like GitHub Campus Expert. This is like another thing from GitHub as well. You can apply for that as well. But yeah, that's the topic for another video. And you are going to get Atom. Like most of the things they are showing here are kind of free. But yeah, quite a few things in that are like you have to pay for those if you are not having this pack. But from this pack you can get those for free. Like you can if you are into like IoT and that kind of stuff, you can like get a few hardwares with discounted price. So that's one thing as well. And like there are many sites from where you can get the domain name. So that's a good thing, because like if you are a student and if you are creating your portfolio kind of thing, so you can host those from like on Heroku. You can deploy your application on Heroku, and then you can use a domain name from either Namecheap or name.com. So yeah, that's a great thing. Like you can show your skills, like you have created your portfolio and you have hosted this one with the domain name. You can take like a domain name as well. So now let's see how we can get this pack. So just click on this one and it will like open a page from where you can like get the student benefit, and it will ask you to log in, and you can like log in simply, and then you can click on get your student developer pack. Quite simple. And it will ask you like, yes, I am a student. You have to just agree. And yeah, the important thing is here, like you can apply with your personal email ID. Then it will ask you to upload the document which verifies that yeah, you are a student. Or if you apply this with like your college email ID, student email ID. So the benefit of applying with the student email ID is that your application will be approved quite faster in case of education email ID, like a student email ID. If you apply with like your personal email ID, and if you apply with your college ID card, like for verifying that yes, you are a student, so that takes some time. But with college ID card, there it may take like 2 to 3 days extra. But with your personal email ID, it's like with your college email ID, it will take like hardly 2 to 3 days. Sometimes it may take till a week, but yeah, at max it will take a week. So previously I have applied with my personal email ID, so it took like 2 weeks, I guess. But yeah, there are few conditions, so you have to like qualify to apply for this one. You must be at least 13-year-old and all that. You can just check on those. So yeah, but it's quite beneficial. You will get lots of things, and yeah, this is the simple process. Okay, so let's see what we discussed in this video. So we discussed what is GitHub Student Developer Pack and how you can enroll for this one and what are the benefit of this one. So you can just apply for this one, and like you can have the benefits. So what you need, you just need either a college email ID, or you should be enrolled in it like college or school. So that will work fine. And you need to, like if you don't have like college email ID, then you can like apply with the ID card from your college. So that will also work. It will take like little extra time, but yeah, that will work. So that's all what I want to share in this video. Hope you like this one, and you can share this with your friends and other people who don't know about this one and who are also in college. So you can share this with others as well. And you can follow me on Instagram as well. I post there lots of videos, reels and all that. So lots of content there. You can check that as well. You can find the link in the description, and somewhere here you can find the username. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.